Hey, what's up guys, it's Kaizen, and quick introduction before starting the video. I just want to say that this is my own channel and I've just made it, and I want anyone that completes it to tag me on Instagram, like a picture of them after completing it, or giving me their time wherever, DMs or just in the comment section. I'm excited to see what you guys can do and how good you guys are. And anyways, I said in the video that for the product that Gonek sent me, big thanks to them by the way, I got a 10% discount code. It's actually a 15% discount code, so I'll put the link down in the description along with the code, so if you order it, make sure to use the code so you get 15% off. Also, I want to say that this was one of the hardest workouts I've ever done, because I never do high intensity and my cardio is pretty bad. So I almost threw up 3 times and I almost fainted once actually during the squats. And yeah, so enjoy me suffering, and yep, hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm going to be doing 100 dips, 100 Russian V-tuck. Then I'm going to be doing 100 squats and 100 push-ups using this machine. And then if you come over here, I'm going to be doing 100 pull-ups or chin-ups, it doesn't matter as long as you do 100 in combine, using those rings. So, one of the sponsors just sent me this. So this is basically everything you need in just one package. This is actually insane. Like if you only have a bit of a budget and you don't want like to have a used gym and something that takes place because you don't have a lot of place, this is enough if you want to work out even for advanced levels. So there is a lot of things that come. This platform, you can adjust the handles to do push-ups in different positions, just like this. Depending on where you move the handles, you're going to be targeting different muscle groups. And you also have handles you can do. Using this, you can do, let me show you. You can do curls, and you can move those to make it tighter or less tight. I'm also going to be doing squats using this for an extra bit of resistance. It's not a lot of kg, but it's even just a bit makes it more difficult when you do 100 reps of anything. You can see there is an ab roller, there is resistance bands, there is those things that I just screw together. There is a door handle, 2 little handles, 1 bag that comes, a carry bag, if you're traveling and just put it in your car. It doesn't take a lot of space, and there is so many exercises that you can do. I'm just going to showcase 2 of them, which is the push-ups and the squats using this, but there is so many things you can do. Okay, so this is the first round, and I'm starting with the dips. But you can start with whichever exercise you want. So what I'm going to do is 5 sets of 20 dips, 20 push-ups, 20 Russian V-twist, 20 squats, and then 20 chin-ups or pull-ups. It's up to you. So for me, I decided to do the most difficult exercise at the end, so chin-ups and pull-ups, and to start with the easiest exercise, so the dips. So the dips are gonna work your triceps and your chest, and as you can see in round 1 it was very easy. I could do 20 in a row without any trouble. Then I directly do the push-ups, which work the same muscle groups, so it works the chest and triceps. And as you can see, my form while doing the push-ups is not very great, because I'm trying not to hit my head on the wall. As I watch back the replay, because it looks very bad. I should just have prioritized the form rather than the reps. Okay, so the next exercise is going to be the squats, and 100 squats is just too easy for me, even if it's just body weight, especially body weight in fact. So I decided to use this machine to add some weights. It wasn't that much resistance, it must have been like 10 kg max at the top, but even when you're doing 100 reps, just 10 kg can make a big difference. So of course the squats are going to work the lower part of your body. That's why I chose to incorporate the squats in this workout, because I want it to be a full body workout. So right when I'm done with the squats, I directly go into the Russian V-twist. So this is gonna work your abs, of course, your core muscles, which are very important in any type of workout. So this is especially gonna work the obliques. So the obliques are the abs on your side, the thing that looks sharp and makes your abs look more defined. I'm using a big water bottle that I filled up, it must have been like 3 kg. And I'm doing this to increase the resistance and difficulty, but you don't have to use anything. Okay, so then we're switching to pull-ups, and here are the rings that I'm going to be using. And you can see I'm already dying inside. It's just the first round I was telling myself, okay, this might be too much, I might have been too ambitious. So I am doing pull-ups, and as you can see I can do 10 in a row. And of course pull-ups are going to work your back and your lats. So it is another upper body exercise. So chin-ups and pull-ups are definitely two of my favorite exercises for the biceps, because you're just using a body weight and there's so many variations to make it more difficult. So I might make it look easy at the start, but you'll see me at the end, I'm struggling to do even just one rep. Okay, so this is the 5th round. I actually threw up almost twice. This is the most pain I've been. Oh my god, it's so long. I only do 8 reps or 12 reps and 20 reps of non-stop, no rest between sets, 5 sets in a row. Yeah, I'm gonna faint, I feel.
Thank you.
Okay, this is 34 seconds, 30. Oh my god. Okay, this is 34 minutes and 30 seconds. Right now I'm very red. I feel like I'm dying. Okay, so once you click the link that's in the description, you're going to go on this page. And you're going to see there is a lot more tools that I did not show in the video, but there is so many things. And there is so many also different exercises you can do. So I did the squats, but obviously you can do shoulders, biceps. It's basically an alternative to using weights. You have less chances of injury, and also you can carry it everywhere. It comes with a bag that you can just put everything in, and it's also so much cheaper than a gym. As you can see, there is so many different exercises you can do for just. This might sound expensive, but for all the exercises you can do, it's a good alternative, and it's an investment for your body. So once you buy it, you're going to go into this page, and you're going to go there, and you're going to enter the code that's in the description. So make sure to copy it and apply it, and you should get 15% off, and 15% is a lot on 164 pounds. And it might be in dollars if you're in another country, but it will still be 15% off. Before finishing the video, I just want to say, if you want to do the challenge, please send me a picture, send me your time, and comment on how the challenge was. I will upload everything on my socials, maybe on my YouTube story, and maybe I'll put some clip also of you. So yeah, just challenge your friends, have fun, and it would be good to have like a leaderboard of the best time and everyone trying to compete with everyone. I think it would be fun. So yeah, thank you guys again for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and yep, see you in the next video.
In me I trust, yeah I smell like success, this Elon Musk, huh? Everybody wanna be like us, we don't stop cause the top just ain't enough, huh? I ain't never gave no fucks, I ain't scamming, you know black men don't blush, huh? Came here ready to fight on this night, you better just run for your